Free Metcon 4s here. And what's so great about these is that they're the newest Nike Metcon in the family. Okay, so the way it is that Nike introduced the Nike Metcons, the very first Nike Metcon in 2015, and needless to say it was a hit. It was a very, very big hit for Nike. They've gone all the way with it. They ran away with that format, with that type of shoe for training. Initially, it was really meant for CrossFit athletes. Currently, we're now on the Nike Metcon 6. Okay. They like mashups with their other successful shoes. So initially, there was the Metcon Flyknit. So the Metcon Flyknit came out around 2017, maybe 2 years after the first. Correct me if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, I could be wrong. And then after that came the Nike Free Metcon, which we're reviewing today, the 4th generation of that shoe. Then eventually they came out with the Nike Metcon React. And the Nike Metcon React is a fusion of the Nike Metcon and the Nike React insole to make it more responsive. So where does the Nike Free Metcon slot in that family? So basically the Nike Free Metcon, they made it for workouts that had more running. As you know, that Nike Free sole, it flexes very well. Okay. What's so great about this shoe is that they have updated this chain link mesh, what they call the chain link mesh. This has been present in all the Nike Free Metcons from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Skipped out on the 3s, and now I'm trying out these Nike Metcon 4s. So initially, here are my impressions of it. Compared to the Nike Metcon, the main family, the Metcon, this sole here is much softer. It's much softer than the outsole of these Metcons. It's a lot softer as well than this, so these are more rigid. These are much softer, they'll flex much better, you can run in them, you can jump in them. But they do offer that somewhat flat silhouette, which is very important for most CrossFitters who like to squat, who like to deadlift. I think it'll deal with your Olympic weightlifting. They inserted this thing to add more stability to it. Previously, the Free Metcon 3 did not have any additional stability here. There was no TPU. Pretty much it looks like a Nike Warachi, if you ask me. Nike Warachi. Now, there's still that X. I saw this from another YouTuber's channel, Wes Henderson, if I'm not mistaken, where he says that Nike patented this X design, although it is much less pronounced than the main Metcon family. So over here you have a grippy sole. It's still somewhat grippy, although less than the Metcon 6. Over here you have that stability part. Now, they have improved the stability of the Nike Free Metcons because previously they weren't as stable. And then here, lockdown, nothing special, just 4 holes for your laces. But there is a more pronounced sock-like feel to the upper. So this is where the mobility comes, like we've shown earlier. So this is gonna flex. This will be very comfortable for running workouts that are combined with lifting, jumping, or even cutting if you'd like to train like somewhat like you train basketball. If I'm not mistaken, there have been some Nike basketball players who do wear this for training. I think Kyrie Irving has been seen wearing these. LeBron James has also been seen wearing these Nike Metcon, Free Metcon. It's very versatile. It's not just limited to the weight room, but it's also, you can use it on the court to a certain degree. And I don't know, but this gives me some tennis vibes. The colorway gives me some tennis vibes. So this colorway is the Hasta White, Bright Citron, Dark Smoke Gray colorway. So this is the first colorway available for the Nike Free Metcon 4. So those are my initial thoughts on the shoe. I haven't really tried them yet. I will try them in a bit, do a somewhat more complete review in a few weeks after I've worn the shoe a little more, worked out with it, had my thoughts on it, compared it to how these other Metcons feel. And let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had any generation of Nike Metcons. So let us know in the comments, do you like Nike Metcons? Do you want us to check out other shoes for CrossFit like Nobles? or Reebok Nanos or things like that, let us know in the comments down below. So you're watching TitoFit, and my name is Jayden Conde. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a little like. Thank you.
What's so special about the shoes?
I want to know specifically, like if I buy a shoe, I'm gonna be, does it sing, does it dance, cook, like?
Every Nike Metcon is special.
So that's a Metcon?
It's a new one. It's a free Metcon 4. So those are the free Metcon 3s.
Okay.
These are the free Metcon 4s. So basically these are the newest Nike Metcons there are. Of course, they are. The free Metcons are comfy.
What size are those?
9.5.
No, I'm a guy's 9.
Your guy's 9? Oh my god.
Oh, everyone.
I can like,
I told you, that's your size.
I can like stick my feet inside a men's 9 if I wanted to. He's a 9.
I'm a 9. Oh my god, your feet are used.
Okay, ladies,
6'3".
we're all 9s here.
Actually, her feet is 8, but her pinky toe is just like this.
Pupulupot.
Weird shit.
Parang sumasabi bro.
Okay, are we warming up?
That's the intro.
That's the intro. Alright, you got the Nike Free Metcon 4s here.